Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on 39 how to synchronize files in OneDrive. So, let's dive right in. To begin, click on the OneDrive icon in the taskbar. Then, click on the gear icon at the top right. Next, select Settings. Within the Settings window, navigate to the Account tab. This tab contains settings specifically related to your OneDrive account information and synchronization preferences. Under the Account tab, look for a button or option labeled Choose Folders or Select Folders. Clicking this will open a window that displays all the folders in your OneDrive storage. Here, you can uncheck the folders you don't want to sync to your computer. By default, all folders will be checked for synchronization. Once you've selected the folders you want to keep in sync, click OK or Save to confirm your changes. OneDrive will then adjust its synchronization settings to reflect your selections. This may involve downloading new files or removing existing files from your local storage to match your chosen folders. And there you have it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.